Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we generally use a mnemonic chart and a Mercator chart together to approximate a great circle. So let's say, so here's our mnemonic chart, here's our Mercator chart. And let's say we were going from San Francisco to Yokohama, Japan. Well, you know, if we wanted to do the shortest distance, because that's mostly east-west, you know, and it's a long voyage, you know, we're going to want a great circle. So we grab a mnemonic chart and we find the port of departure, we find the point of arrival, and we connect them with a line. Okay, but our course is going to be changing all along there, and that's going to be a pain for us to figure all that out. So what we typically do is you know, we rarely follow the Great Circle route exactly. What we do is we plot it on the mnemonic chart, and then what we do is we pick off intermediate points on the Great Circle. And these are usually separated between 5 and 10 degrees of longitude. It's not random. You know, up here I might use 10 degrees of longitude because the longitude lines are so close. Down here I might use 5 degrees of longitude because they're farther separated. But anyway, let's not worry about that right now. You pick off 5 degrees. You pick off the latitude and longitude of these spots. They're about 5 to 10 degrees apart. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to actually get the latitude and longitude of those, so we're going to write them down, and then we're going to transfer them to a Mercator chart. Okay, so we'll take that, we'll transfer that spot to there. We'll take this spot, we'll transfer it to there, We'll take this spot, we'll transfer it to there. We'll take this spot, we transfer it to there. Okay, now this is a laborious process. Okay, so then what do? Then we plot those individual points on our Mercator chart. Okay, and then we take out our triangle and then we connect them with a straight line. That's going to be a Rhumb line. We connect these two with a straight 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 line. And what we have now is a series of Rhumb lines, okay? So we have a course and distance between these two. And then the next leg is going to be a course and distance between these two. And then the next leg is going to be a course and distance between these two. And if we combine all of those Rhumb lines together, they'll approximate a great circle track. And in this sense, then, we'll change our course 1, 2, 3. Well, actually, we'll start with the initial course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we'll have 19 different courses that we would sail in the course of that voyage. Okay? And so, you know, every few hours we might change our course by a couple of degrees or something like that. That takes a lot of work because, you know, historically you'd have to, you know, you can either, you know, you might have to figure these out by mid-latitude sailing or Mercator sailing. Anyway, so you didn't just do this. You didn't do this unless it was really worth it. That's a different kind of question that I'm not going to answer here. But this is how you use a mnemonic chart and a Mercator chart together to plot an approximation of a great circle track.